yung proposal ni Senator Alan Peter, Ambassador of Jesus Christ Cayetano, ay resign all eh. No? Dahil, it's a classic throw the baby with the bathwater. Resignin mo na lahat. No? Dahil di naman pala ako magiging Senate President. No? I-call mo na.
Which again has no legal basis.
For example, isipin mo, kunwari, tanggal nga si Tito Soto, tanggal si Ping Lacson, upo yung kung sino man.
Tapos ganyan yung ICI.
Oo, ganyan yung ICI. Naggalit yung mga tao, nag-rally, nagmalaki ang rally. Wouldn't that be a perfect opportunity for somebody to jump in and say, I am here to save the day?
Yun nga, man on horseback. It's the man on horseback.
But there is no man in horseback in sight at the moment. That's the thing.
Who knows?
Who
knows? Dahil under suspicion nga yung Armed Forces Chief of Staff, si Bronner.
Right, pero the other part of what Manny wrote, remember, he said, generally speaking, the Armed Forces doesn't like Sarah.
Yes.
So
they might want their own group.
Ang mangyayari nga, sila na. Sila na. Ang problema kasi last time, according to Manny Mugato, kinaquote natin si Manny Mugato.
Siya na lang yung source.
There were no people on the streets na that huge. Malay mo, next time, it will be much bigger. With or without that influential religious group.
Oh, kaya? Even without them?
Sana hindi naman mangyari. Nung 87, there were things like God Save the Queen. Merong assassination. Dalawa successful. Si Leon Alejandro at saka si Lando Olalia. Tapos may nag-fail, si Commander Dante Buscaino. No? So, bilang mga ganong klaseng provocation to show that the government is unraveling. Diba? To show that the government cannot hold it together. Kaya justified ang destabilization.